Mixxedlove in this motherfucker. Sheesh.
Tommy Franco make it bang though.
Well, damn, Mix.
Oh my.
Support my track, little bitch.
Little bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks.
Well, damn, Mix.
Oh, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. Little bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks. Oh, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks.
4-5 with a 50 round drum. Here I come, better run, nah, nigga better duck. When the guns get dirty, man, it's clean up time. Throw them bitches in the lake, wash them up, wash them up. None of these straps gon' jam, no. Some of these straps go blam, some of these bitches go puck. Oh my. But most of my tools go fuck nigga season. Mini Mac, Mini Drake, 4 magazines, but Stizzy ain't read. Codeine in my clip, I leave a nigga leaning. No witness, hey, we ain't really seen shit. If a nigga wanna bump his guns from a few miles down, hell, I ain't even tripping. Fuck em. Scope on top of the AR, I hit his ass up from a long distance. Die with the switchy, just in case this shit get itchy. Bitch, put your lips with my dick. I'm quick to pop out with them blickies and stickies, and you will not notice me like a lahiki. I'm strapped the fuck up when I'm taking a shower. I play with my pistol while smoking this shit. Don't make me hop off of this toilet and light your ass up on you niggas for breaking an entry.
Bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks.
Well, damn, Mix.
Oh, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks. Oh, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick.
I got a Glock, and it's in a Roni kit. Attachments on my blick, convert my pistol to a stick. Holla, I support my trap before I up and let it spit. I ride with my AR cause it got titties, you keep the dick. They say I'm a prick, they say I ain't shit, but they don't say nothing when they hear the click. It's quiet in the room, they switching the script, and I don't like silence, I'm about to flip. Load up the chopper, we taking the trip, and like a big bully, I'm taking your chips. I already got sauce, so you know I'm gon' dip. Y'all niggas just lucky I ain't shoot your shit, little bitch. You don't wanna get hit with the bleeding, part of my violent activity. Toss a grenade in your chimney, watch you run out the house quickly. Put a bullet in your kidney, caught a hollow like a frisbee. Now you feeling kinda dizzy, told you we be getting busy. Fucking with Mixxedlove, Glock and Stizzy.
Little bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick. I got 2 blocks. Oh, you can get hit with this blick. You can get hit with this blick.
Love,
You can get hit with this blick. Bitch. Yeah, you can get hit with this blick.